guys, welcome once again to another live episode of Scott of Law. So, this is a live episode that we're going to talk about international refugee law, and we're going to talk about the Safe Third Country law. The Safe Third Country law. So, this is the law that prohibits refugee recognition. So, this is the law that prevents the influx of people within particular countries. This is the law that prevents foreign shopping. This is the law that eliminates foreign shopping and prevents the abuse of refugee status. So this is the principle in refugee and asylum law that dictates that the refugee or asylum seekers can be denied access to asylum in a country if they have already passed through a safe third country where they could have reasonably sought protection. This is the principle, and I repeat, this is the principle in refugee and asylum law that dictates that refugee and asylum seekers can be denied access to asylum in a country if they've already passed through a separate country where they could have reasonably sought protection. So this is the principle that limits, that denies asylum seekers from being recognized as refugees being granted asylum after they have already passed through, after they have already gone through a safe third country that they could have reasonably sought protection. So it only uh, prevents them from acquiring status recognition uh, in a country after they have gone through a safe third country. So the question that that country will be asking is why um, why couldn't you have sought protection? Why did you seek protection from the same third country before coming to this country? Why did you seek asylum in the same third country? So this is for asylum seeker from DRC. You move from DRC to Uganda. From Uganda you go to Kenya. From Kenya you go to Turkey, and you go to from Turkey then you go to Switzerland. So the Switzerland as the country which you are seeking asylum, like that country of interest. So the Democratic Republic of Congo is the country of origin. So then you move from your country of origin. Switzerland is the country of asylum where you are seeking asylum. So Switzerland, asking yourself, why did you go through all these countries to seek asylum in Switzerland? So from DRC you go to Uganda. Uganda is the first country of entry. From to Kenya. Kenya is the same third country. From Kenya you go to Turkey. Turkey is the same efficiency in the method of conducting that asylum protection. And the third reason is shared responsibility. So it should not only be left for specific country to provide asylum. So this should be a shared responsibility. You know? Many countries should be engaged in this asylum protection, not only each country. You know, people usually seek refugee status because of many or various reasons. Some may just be feeling like they want to go to rich countries where they can be protected and they can just enjoy them, not because they have that well-founded fear of persecution. So you must really must demonstrate that you have that fear of present and future persecution so that you can be granted asylum. So you have got three countries that are involved: safe country, country, and this. So the final is the country of interest or as seeking asylum will be asking yourself. So you've got international legal basis for the safe third country, the legal basis for the safe third country, and these are bilateral and multilateral agreements and reformment principles, the Dublin regulations, the UNHCR guidelines, and unemployment principle. So the criteria for this third country for the so examples of third country policies and practices include the Dublin regulation of East African Union, the US Canada Safe Third Country Agreement, the East African Union Turkey Agreement of 2016. This is the question. Respect for the children, compliance with non-employment conditions for life expectancy, reasonable assurance. So those are criteria for regarding safe third country. Respect for refugee rights, compliance with non-employment conditions for life expectancy, and assurance for basic rights.